How to buy Solana NFTs on Magic Eden. So to buy Solana NFTs on Magic Eden, what you have to do is go to your Apple Play Store, Apple App Store or Google App Store, and then search for wallets like Phantom or the Magic Eden wallet, and then download it. Now, once you download it, open your wallet, then tap create a new wallet, and then securely write down your secret recovery phase. Once you create your wallet, fund your wallet with SOL by buying it directly inside the app using a credit card or Apple Pay, or by transferring SOL from a centralized exchange. Now, to connect to Magic Eden, open your wallet app and then tap the globe or browser icon to open the built-in decentralized web browser, then navigate to Magic Eden. Now tap Connect Wallet in the top right corner and then select your wallet app from the list. Then use the search bar or filter menus to find the Solana collection you want. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.